bilihan ng mga appliances. Ay, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat, sa ating lahat. Yeah. Hello, viewers. Ang gaganda ng kanilang mga gamit. Ayan, ayan. Ano ba yun? Ay, ayan. Ang cute, Diba? Ano na, nakakita ka? Ay, ito pala. Mga ano. Hello, Craig! Diyan ka pala. Dito ka. We are here and appliances. We buy something. Shout out to Craig. Thank you so much. Shout out to Brother Red Laser. And Adele, Belinda, hello. And all my friends. To Mark Esterson, hello. Ayan, shout out. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Many choices. Oh, nice, nice. Ano, meron bang small rice cooker? I doing well. Thank you, I'm happy. You watching, thank you. How are you? How's Phantom? You not make live na? I want to see Phantom, may Belinda, all my friends there. I have sick. I only of my daughter. That's why. Me too. They are good. Oh, thanks God, they're good. May what's hour going down? Yeah. Okay. Me only live because that's why my hemoglobin going down also. I'm going down clinic. To cure my sick. That's why I cannot go to the Philippines. Yeah. I just watch. Thank you for watching, for helping. Shout out for Million Angel there. 9 million. Nice, nice but expensive. Thank you for watching. The mic. What's this? Oh, we buy something. Hello. Thank you for watching, for helping me. May watch hour is going down. 12 million people there. My angel, thank you so much. Viewers, thank you. Shout out. I love you guys. Thank you so much. There's many appliances there. 8 million angel. Thank you, Peg. Thank you so much. We buy something. I buy a rice cooker, small only, because I have my sugar high. Very high my sugar. That's why I cook the rice of Indian rice. Oh, nice. I eat that. Shout out to Teresa. Thank you, Teresa, for support to me. Thank you for support, Craig. Thank you so much.